Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are previewing the Napoli II floor plan by Lennar Homes. The Napoli II is part of the estate line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Napoli is a 3-bedroom plus den home, just under 2,400 square foot with a 3-car garage. Let's run inside this beautiful home and take a look here. Now, as we get towards the front door, as we come inside, you've got this nice great room area here. Nice and open layout and floor plan. But we're going to direct our attention to the right here where you have your formal dining living room space here. With the nice open kitchen here, open concept. Great room overlooking your living spaces here. Now coming back across, right to the left of the entry here, you've got the den, and it is a true den here, so there's no closet. And right off the den, this is your entry into your master suite here. So coming into your master, on the left side here, we've got a very spacious closet. Huge master's quarters here. That's a king-size bed there for perspective, plenty of room for seating. You've got the nice bay windows, and you also have access out to your lanai here as well. Now the master bath is nothing short of spectacular as well, featuring your separate vanity sinks here. You've got your corner spa, jacuzzi spa there. And you've got the walk-in shower. And then directly behind me, you've got your enclosed water closet there. Now coming out across the home, we're going to see the other 2 bedrooms here. But first, you've got the laundry here, leading you out to your 3-car garage with additional storage and utility sink. And then you have one of 2 guest bedrooms here. There's your first one. And in between that, you have your guest bath. And then we've got the 3rd bedroom here. Now, last but not least is the outdoor living space, along with the pool bath. So right here off your dining room, you've got a pool bath door leading you out to the pool, and then you've got your bath right here. But let's take a look outside here at your beautiful lanai space. Coming outside, you've got plenty of covered space on your lanai here. You have access from your dining room out to your lanai. Nice outdoor kitchen, fully vented. And here showcasing the pool with the spa. All right, folks, so this is the Napoli II model, part of the estate line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. If you're interested in this floor plan, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property Group, this is Roberto Lee, and we hope to see you next time.